Have you ever found yourself wishing you could pool your finances with someone special? Maybe it's a partner, a family member, or a close friend. A joint bank account can be a great way to manage shared expenses and build a financial future together. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to open a Joint Starling bank account. Starling Bank is a digital bank known for its innovative features and user-friendly interface. One of its many benefits is the ability to easily open joint accounts. Unlike traditional banks, Starling offers a seamless online process that can be completed from the comfort of your home. Step 1. Download the Starling app. The first step is to download the Starling app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Once downloaded, create your personal account. Step 2. Invite your joint account holder. After setting up your account, you'll need to invite the person you want to share the account with. Simply search for their name or phone number in the app and send them an invitation. They'll need to download the Starling app and accept your invitation. Step 3. Verify your identities. To ensure the security of your joint account, both you and your joint account holder will need to verify your identities. This typically involves providing identification documents, such as a passport or driving license. Step 4. Set up your account. Once your identities have been verified, you can start setting up your joint account. You'll need to choose a unique account name and decide on the ownership structure. Starling offers two options, joint tenants and tenants in common. Joint tenants. This option means that both account holders have equal rights to the account. If one account holder dies, their share automatically passes to the surviving account holder. Tenants in common. This option allows you to specify the percentage of ownership for each account holder. If one account holder dies, their share can be inherited by their beneficiaries. Step 5. Fund your account. After setting up your account, you can fund it by transferring money from another bank account or using a debit or credit card. Additional features of Joint Starling bank accounts. Shared access. Both account holders can access and manage the account using the Starling app. Real-time notifications. You will receive instant notifications for any transactions made on the account. Cardless cash withdrawals. Use the Starling app to withdraw cash from ATMs without a physical card. Goal setting. Create shared savings goals and track your progress together. Fee-free international payments. Send money abroad without incurring excessive fees. Troubleshooting tips. Invitation issues. If you're having trouble inviting your joint account holder, make sure they have the correct email address or phone number. Verification problems. If you're experiencing difficulties with identity verification, double-check that your documents are clear and legible. Technical glitches. If you encounter any technical issues, reach out to Starling's customer support team for assistance. Opening a Joint Starling bank account is a simple and convenient way to manage shared finances. With its user-friendly app and innovative features, Starling offers a hassle-free experience for both individuals and couples. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can easily create a joint account and start building your financial future together. Have you ever considered opening a joint bank account? If so, Starling might be the perfect choice for you. Download the app today and start exploring the benefits of joint banking. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.